Hello dear students, this is Mansi Patel from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to study mathematics class 3. So here we are done yesterday with addition, tens and hundreds. Okay. So now addition looking for fives. Looking for fives means what? That the single number which you have in your addition, you have to break it in that way when 5 got separated. Because 5, 10 are this number which add easily orally also. Okay, so this 7 number you have to break in 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So 5 came here. Now 75 plus 5 you have to do. 75 plus 5 is equal to came 80 directly. Okay, 80 plus 2. So it is 82. So that is your final answer. Easy. Understood what I did? 75. Okay student, we are not going to do anything with 75. We are just going to break 7 only, and 7 we are breaking in that way when 5 came clearly. So if you going to minus 7 from 5 from 7, so you get 2 separated. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So now you break 7 number and it become 2 number more, that is 5 and 2. Now 5 number we make it because of this 75. So we are going to add 75 and 5. So 75 plus 5 is very simple, that is 80. 75 plus 5 is equal to 80. And remaining also number is there, no? Suppose 80 is there, so 2 is still remaining. So 80 plus 2, that is your answer, 82. Okay, now addition using friendly number. Friendly number means what? So this is simple addition which you can do orally also. For example, 3 plus 6, 9. Simple. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 20 plus 10 plus 20, 30. Okay, this is 30. And 30 plus 30, 60. So this is that type of question which you can add orally, that 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Okay, like that. Here is the word problem, student. This is addition word problem. So don't worry about word problem, student. It is very easy type of question. What you have to do, you just have to underline the number, whichever number you have given, and then you have to read the question and you will understand what you have to do. A farm had 25 white cows, 49 black cows, 70 chickens. How many cows are there in all farm? Okay, so here you know student, there is 3 number. One is 25, that is white cows, 49, that is black cow, and 70, that is chicken. Okay, so how many cows? Now chicken, that 70 chicken is only for your confusion. They give this extra number for only your confusion. Don't get confused. How many cows? What they ask about only cows. They did not ask that how many cows and chicken. No. They only ask about how many cows are there in all in the farm. So you just have to go for cows only, not chicken. Here this information is only to confused, that student get confused. But you can read the question, how many cows are there in all? So 25 white cows, 49 black cows. White and black both are cows, so you have to add this both number, 25 and 49, not 70, because 70 is chickens, they are not cow. So 25 plus 49 is equal to 74, that is a total cow in the farm. Okay, so yes, here the addition lesson is complete. Now lesson number 3, that is subtraction. Student, you don't need to complete or don't need to revision the whole 3 lesson. You just have to do this pages only, textbook page number 59 till and workbook page number 31 till, not more than that. So here is a small revision of that pages. It is very simple, that simple subtraction is given there. 48 minus 10. So 1 minus 4 minus 1 will automatically done. Okay, 4 minus 1 because it is 10's place, and 8 minus 0, that is 1's place. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 8 minus 0, if 0 is there then directly number came. It is just like 8, 48 minus 10. 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 1, 3, 38 is your answer. But the thing is, here is it is only in sleeping form. Here is the standing form. Okay, simple. Next question, dash minus 20 is equal to 12. Student, when is equal to this side question you have asked, then you have to do addition. Which number is add in subtract in 20, then you will get your answer 12. So simple, what you have to do, you have to add these two numbers. When first filling the blanks are there, then you just have to add these two number, 20 plus 12. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 32 is your answer. So what you have to do, after writing this answer, you have to recheck by 32 is your answer, minus 20. 0 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 1, 2, 1. So answer is 12, and your answer is 12. That means your question is right. When first filling the blanks asked you that you have to do add, that your answer and remaining subtraction question. If second filling the blanks asked you, then you have to do subtraction only. That is 11 minus 4. 1 minus 4 not possible, 11, and this is 0. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 is your answer. This is small number. Same phenomena will going with big number also. Second filling the blanks they asked, so you have to do minus. Answer is here 2, 8, 4 minus 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. 161, and 161 is your answer. But when first filling the blanks they asked, what you're going to do? One thing we are going to ignore, that is here it is addition. Here it is minus. So addition phenomena is same, but when addition comes for first number, then same minus will happen, because here you can see we have to write in first filling the blanks, minus is there, so we did plus, but you can see plus is here and you have to write first filling the blanks, then minus will happen, because here it is plus, then minus happen, here it is minus, then plus happen. So 607 minus 442, and you will get answer, that is 165. Students, don't get confused, it is very simple. Let's take just a second. So now look, 48 minus 10, 38. If in center minus, you have to do simply minus. But if first filling the blanks, you have to ask first filling the blanks and minus is there, then you have to do plus. If first filling the blanks you haven't asked but plus is there, then you have to do minus. Simple. First filling the blanks asked, minus is there, then you have to do opposite, plus. If first filling the blanks asked and plus is there, then you have to do minus. Simple. This is only for first filling the blanks. If second filling the blanks is there, then you completely have to do the same thing, that is minus only. If plus minus doesn't matter. Okay, so it is subtraction. Regrouping subtraction, this is, student, you already know that 3 minus 6 not possible, so we'll do 3 to 13, that is tens, and 7 to 6. Now 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Regrouping here tens, so 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, that is possible. 5 minus 8, it is not possible. So 5 become 15, 3 become 2. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1. Okay, so 11 minus 1 minus 3 not possible, so 11 directly become, and 5 become 4. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8, but 4 minus 6, it is not possible. So again we get the 4 and 14 become, and 4 become this 3. Double regrouping, right? So 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So yes student, this is all about this revision, subtraction. This only things type of questions will come. We are done with the revision student. Now what you have to do, that you have to solve this multiplication multiple choice question. Okay, this question are only for your practice student. I'm not going to say that same to same this type of question or this question will came to examination. No, this is only for your practice. Okay, after this, if you understand the complete revision, if you done with all the test which I sending you, okay, so then after you can do test of this MCQ question also. I'm saying test students, test. Okay, so you have to take test by yourself or checked by your mother, father, anyone, parents. Okay, and then you will make more practice students. In MCQ there is two mistakes are there in question number 17. Okay, question number 17, I have asked after number but give filling the blanks before that number. So it is by mistake, not after number. Here come choose before number. I know students are very intelligent, you already know what I'm trying to say, but still there is no after number, because after number is after this number, but this is before filling the blanks. So here the question is before number, that is question number 17. Do correct it. Okay, and one more mistake is there. Question number 25, 993 minus dash is equal to 124. So student, as you know that what will happen here, second fill in the blanks is there. So completely, if second fill in the blanks asked, then you have to do minus only. So here is your question, 993 minus 124. Okay, 3 minus 4 not possible, so 13. 9 become 8. Now 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. But by mistake 6 is written as 5, so please make it 6. Your first option is only correct option, and the option is 169, not 159. By mistake I have written 5 instead of 6, so your answer is 169. Okay, understood? So yes, please do practice this, take test every day, and all the best for your periodic test. Thank you.